if f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 1, find g composed of g of x. Yes po, composition of functions. At ang una po natin gagawin ay input po natin ang ating g of x, which is x squared minus 1. Then, papalitan po natin ang ating x ng ating given na g of x. At ito po ay, again, ano po? X squared minus 1. At ito na po ang ating g composed of g of x. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating f of x ay panggulo lamang. Okay? Since na-input na po natin ang ating function, input naman po natin ang ating choices. So, we have 2x squared plus 2 for a, separated by colon, then x squared plus 2x. By the way, meron na po tayo nitong previous tutorial at mas detailed po ang ating discussion doon. Gamit po ang ating manual solution. Dito naman po ay gamit natin ang ating calculator techniques using our CARS KCS 991 calculator. Okay, so letter D, 4x squared plus 12x plus 8. We have to check our inputs. So we have the quantity of x squared minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1. Then 2x squared plus 2, x squared plus 2x for letter B, x raised to 4 minus 2x squared for C, and 4x squared plus 12x plus 8. Okay? So, okay na po ang ating inputs. Then, press na natin ang calc. Hihingan po tayo ng value ni x. Dito po, any value will do. So, let's try 0.001. At ito po yung value ng ating function. Hence, kung alin po sa ating choices ang mag-yield ng ganitong value, ayun po ang ating correct answer. So, let's check. Letter A, hindi. Letter B, hindi. So, letter C is a yes and letter D is a no. Okay. Pwede po natin itong i-manipulate. Kanina, decimal. So, let's say gusto natin is full number. So, let's use 8. At ito po yung hinahanap nating value sa ating choices. For A, hindi. B, hindi. C is a yes. D is a no. So, consistent na letter C yung sagot. What if ang gusto mo po ay mas madaming zero? So, ayan. Check natin. Ito yung hinahanap natin. A, B, C, D. So, consistent. And the answer is letter C. Ganyan lang po para sa ating trial and error. Thank you for watching. Kindly share so we can help more self-review math majors. God bless teachers.